for millions of years. Elephants have roamed our planet, shaping landscapes and capturing our imagination. Revered in cultures across the world as symbols of wisdom, strength, and family, these giants are more than just impressive animals. They are living architects of the natural world, deeply emotional beings, and powerful reminders of our planet's wild beauty. Today, we're taking a journey into their world with 10 fascinating facts that will help you see elephants in a whole new way. Let's start with the basics. Fact 1. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. An African elephant can weigh as much as 14,000 pounds and stand over 13 feet tall at the shoulder. To put that into perspective, that's heavier than a school bus. And yet, despite this massive size, elephants can move with a surprising grace, almost silently across the land. Watching such an enormous creature move with such quiet purpose is a humbling reminder of their incredible design. Fact 2. With that huge size comes an enormous appetite. Elephants are herbivores, and they can spend up to 16 hours every single day searching for and eating food. An adult elephant can consume 300 pounds of grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark in just one day. Their constant need to eat literally shapes the environment around them. They clear pathways in forests, knock down branches, and redistribute vital nutrients wherever they go. In many ways, they are the gardeners of the ecosystems they call home. Now for fact 3, and it's about perhaps the most iconic feature of an elephant, its trunk. This extraordinary appendage is made up of over 40,000 individual muscles. Think about that. Our entire human body has fewer than 700 muscles, and an elephant's trunk alone has tens of thousands. This gives them incredible precision and power. They can lift logs weighing hundreds of pounds, or gently pluck a single blade of grass. They use it to drink, to smell, to communicate, to defend themselves, and even as a snorkel when swimming across deep rivers. It's not just a nose, it's one of the most versatile and amazing tools in all of nature. Moving on to fact 4. Elephants aren't only big in body, but also in mind. Their brains weigh around 11 pounds, the largest of any land mammal, and their intelligence is truly extraordinary. They have excellent memories, able to recall the locations of waterholes and safe migration routes even after many years have passed. They can solve complex problems, work together as a team, and even display self-awareness when looking in a mirror. Trait very few animals are capable of. Their intelligence places them among the most cognitively advanced creatures on Earth. Fact 5 brings us to the heart of elephant life. Family herds are usually led by the oldest and wisest female, called the matriarch. She is the memory keeper, the leader, and the ultimate protector of the group. Her vast experience guides the herd to food and water during harsh seasons, and she teaches the younger elephants everything they need to know to survive. Family bonds are incredibly strong, with mothers, daughters, aunts, and grandmothers all playing roles in raising the calves. These deep, multi-generational family connections are the cornerstone of elephant society. And those family bonds lead us to fact 6. Elephants are deeply emotional animals. They comfort each other in times of distress, using gentle touches with their trunks and low soothing rumbles to reassure one another. They celebrate births with joyful trumpeting and excitement, gathering around newborn calves in protective circles. And perhaps most moving of all, elephants mourn their dead. They have been observed standing quietly over the body of a deceased herd member, touching the bones gently with their trunks, and even returning to that same spot years later. These behaviors suggest a depth of feeling and empathy that we humans can certainly relate to. Fact 7 is all about communication. It's far more complex than just the famous trumpeting sound. Elephants use a wide range of sounds, from high-pitched squeaks to deep, resonant rumbles. Some of these rumbles are so low in frequency known as infrasound that we humans can't even hear them. These powerful calls can travel for several miles across the savanna, allowing elephants to coordinate their movements, warn of danger, or call to family members from far away. It's like a hidden language that connects entire herds even when they're miles apart and completely out of sight. Next up, fact 8. There isn't just one type of elephant. African and Asian elephants are two distinct species, each with its own unique features. African elephants are larger and have big, fan-shaped ears that many say resemble the map of Africa. Asian elephants, on the other hand, are smaller with more rounded ears. You'll also find that Asian elephants are more commonly integrated into human culture, particularly in Southeast Asia, where they've been trained for centuries to work alongside people. Each species has adapted perfectly to its environment, but both share that same remarkable intelligence, strength, and gentle nature. This brings us to fact 9. Elephants are known as a keystone species. This means their very presence is vital to the survival of their entire ecosystem. When elephants dig for water during a drought, those holes become a source of life for countless other animals. When they knock down trees, they create clearings where sunlight can reach the forest floor, allowing new plants to grow. And their dung is full of seeds, which help spread vegetation across vast distances. By simply living their daily lives, elephants ensure that innumerable other species can thrive. Without them, entire habitats would begin to collapse. Natar. And that leads us to our final and most important fact. Fact 10. Sadly, elephants today face serious challenges. Poaching for the illegal ivory trade has killed hundreds of thousands over the last century. At the same time, expanding human populations have taken away much of their natural habitat, forcing elephants into smaller and smaller spaces. This often leads to conflict between elephants and local farmers as the animals search for food. Conservation efforts are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent animals. But their future ultimately depends on us. By supporting conservation, refusing to buy ivory, and working to protect their habitats, we can help ensure these gentle giants survive for generations to come. Elephants are living reminders of the beauty, intelligence, and fragility of life on Earth. They teach us about the importance of family, memory, and compassion, and their role in the natural world is simply irreplaceable. If you enjoyed learning about these magnificent creatures, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who love wildlife. Together, we can spread awareness and appreciation for elephants and help protect the wonders of our natural world. Thanks for watching.